Hi and welcome to my channel. I have just rebuilt my Q450 after a pretty bad crash some time ago. So let's take a closer look and see what I've done differently. Yeah, so I have some grass here. I did try it a couple of times, and it seems to be flying okay. I could see on the video I have the Eternity camera on the gimbal underneath, and I could see some vibration. I was a bit unfortunate with the video because it was just straight against the sun. And you can see the propellers in the shadow of the propellers in the video. So the video is not great. You will see that later on, but it gives a glimpse on how the video is going to be and with the vibration and so on. So I will do another video later on with not flying into the sun, so that it will be a more realistic video regarding vibration and so on. But anyway, so I rebuilt this after the last crash. I'm still using pretty much the same gear. It's the same motors. I didn't have to change any of them. None of them are broken. None of the ESCs are broken. I have to tighten up the landing gear, but it seems to be working fine. The gimbal was ripped off its dampening balls, but other than that, everything was fine. However, I did replace the Pixhawk clone. I did have the one from Hobby King, and now I bought this Pixhawk 2.4.8 from Banggood. I'm gonna put the link in the description. It's a cheap one, and it seems to be working fine actually. It's loaded with AudioPad 333, and it seems to be working just fine. The only thing that I'm missing is the OSD. I have bought a new one, so I will attach that when I get it in the mail. For video, I'm using 5.8 32 channel, just the rubber ducky antennas. I'm gonna swap that out later when I have a new one. So I have not been able to test return to home and all that stuff yet, but yesterday, not on purpose, but I flew it actually. Well, I think the battery is not that great to use. It was only about 3,000 milliamps, and suddenly the battery failsafe kicked in. So I was able to test the battery failsafe, not intentionally though, but it worked. So well, it's not much to say. I have the telemetry radio installed, and yeah. So I have this phone because I have the battery in here. I have like that. So I have two. So this is the Hobby King Q450. I bought two of those frames, and what I did was I had two of these bottom plates sandwiched with some standoffs, and my homemade standoffs with screws, and I have the battery in between. So I have the battery right underneath, and then the gimbal right underneath again. So it seems to be a good setup. However, it was too much room, so the battery would move. And to prevent that, I put some foam in between. It's not pretty, but it works. So I will probably change that when I find a better solution. For now, I don't have a better solution. So yeah, I don't know if there was anything else that I'm missing. Finally, it seems to be working. However, I haven't had the time to really test all the functionality on the Pixhawk. I will do that in the coming weeks. So let's take a look at the footage. I have some footage from this Turnigy camera, and I also have some footage from my ground station, my screen, the recording, the DVR on my LCD screen. So let's take a look at that, and with that I thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Yeah, I forgot to show the weight. So let me bring my scale, my kitchen scale, and see if we can get the weight. So without destroying anything. So it doesn't touch anything in the back there. No. So so the quad itself is 1,477 grams, and when I put the battery in, it is 2,281 grams. I don't have the propellers here and the camera, so it was 2,400 with the propellers. So yeah, the propellers are in the living room. So yeah, 2,344 with the camera, and it was just about 2,400 grams with the propellers. So with that, thanks for watching.